got a little something, something for you. I won't take but a minute or two. What it is exactly what it is, yeah. I tell you it ain't hers, and it sure ain't his. Would you like to have a little taste? I hate to see anything go to waste. No need to fret, it's all good fun. So don't miss your boss, you better run, run, run. I don't want no lapdog yapping when it begs. What you're hearing is exactly what was heard, yeah.